Welcome. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I know it has been a while. I do apologize. I think if you've been paying attention, last time I streamed, I was having connection issues. I got them resolved today, so thank you, guys. For sticking around. Thank you for being here. But I am back. I missed you guys. Missed streaming, so let's get started and let's do this, guys. More good news with Nano. What's up, Sergey? Been a minute, man. Yeah, we'll take a look at NNDM for sure, bro. Matter of fact, we'll do this first. But yeah, guys, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for continuing to support me. Yeah, so it looks like we had some news. This looks like it was some news and then it sold off. So I'll be on the lookout for this, but definitely this does look like it was a news reaction. Man, it sucks. It was a bad reaction though. Man, but guys, we had AMD report today. AMD is up $3.29 after hours. We had Microsoft report today. Microsoft is down in after hours. We had Google report. Keep in mind though, guys, all of these stocks beat earnings. Microsoft beat earnings. Google up a huge amount. So a lot of these or all of these tech companies so far have beat. Tesla beat, but it sold off today. So curious to see what happens tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday. We have Apple report and I think we have Facebook tomorrow. As a matter of fact, let's go look at that, guys, really quick. Earnings whisper. But yeah, so what are you guys excited about? I was excited about tech today. Let's see, calendar. Tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's going to be the 28th, okay? We have Shopify, Boeing. I know Apple's up here. Where's it at? Why isn't Apple at the top? Guys, isn't Apple reporting tomorrow? Is that they are reporting tomorrow, right? What's up, Ethernet? Yo, what's up, doctor? I thought Apple was reporting tomorrow, right? Why don't they have it up here? Apple's reporting tomorrow, right? OCGN. Yeah, we'll look. Jesse, are you is this Bagger up here? 100 Bagger? Because he plays OCGN. Apple's tomorrow. I don't know why they don't have it on Earnings Whisper, which is weird. But yeah, so guys, before I do that, OCGN. I think it's tomorrow. On Thursday, look, there's Apple is not up here. What's up, How you doing today, man? Yeah, Apple should be, but Apple is not up here on Wednesday. It's definitely this week. I don't know if it's where they don't have it. Hold on. Let's see. Where does it say Apple? Does it say Apple somewhere? Apple. Yeah, right here. 428. Yeah, it's tomorrow. 4:30. Okay. 4:30, guys. What do you expect when Apple reports? Beat. I think they're going to beat. I think it's going to go down. Yeah. So yeah. So it's tomorrow, 4:30 tomorrow. Okay, got you guys. So if you've been in my Discord, we've been talking about this. We were watching this. We were consolidating here for a while, right here, guys. We were consolidating, right? We were going sideways. Finally broke out of it yesterday, right? Today we sold off, but we're testing it from the top side. So this is gonna be very interesting to see over the next, really this whole week, to finish this week. If we stay above this red line, I think we're bullish. I think we're bullish for the whole month of May, to be honest with you guys. The reason why, appreciate it, Ethernet. The reason why I think that is, I think because we consolidated it wasn't too long, but we consolidated, and I think we're pushing up as long as we stay above it. So we're testing this breakout from the top side now. Apple is sideways tanking. Yeah, Apple could do either one. What's up, Adam? Appreciate y'all tuning in, guys. Thank you for being here. So definitely watching this breakout on the SPY. Let's see what SPY's doing. SPY's, let me delete this trend line. So SPY's looking a little different, but overall, we're not looking too bad. We're not looking too bad. Square, a couple of names, Tesla still. So we sold off today for the majority of things, and then we have some things in after hours, like Facebook. It's up huge. It's up huge in after hours. So we had a lot of things up. When's Facebook? Facebook's on the 28th. So Facebook's tomorrow as well too, guys. So we have a lot of things happening tomorrow. Like we're going to have the initial reaction of Google, Microsoft, and then in after hours we're going to have the reaction from Facebook and Apple. So we have those two big things tomorrow. So really Thursday I think will be the telltale sign, because Thursday will be after, when Apple and Facebook reports. So I'm excited for tomorrow, and I'm really excited for Thursday as well. That's when we'll see the real reaction. I think will Apple go up if they beat expectations by a lot? Man, yeah, it all depends. So Microsoft, they beat, but Microsoft, as you mentioned, Doctor, they were already overextended. So I think they already had their pre-earnings run up, whereas Apple, you can call it this, but it's been going really sideways. So unlike Microsoft's just been pushing up and pushing up. Apple push up, now it's kind of going sideways. So it's a good possibility we just drop a little bit and still stay in this whole consolidation period. That's very possible as well. So I'm on the lookout for that area as well. So if Apple has good earnings but sells off, where I'll be lookout for is right here at 132. It's been running for the past month in anticipation for earnings. Yeah. After that initial drop for everything. Yep. Microsoft had amazing numbers. Yeah. So I expect this across the whole board, guys. I think all the tech companies are going to do good. It just all depends on the reaction. Google did good reaction. Microsoft did good, bad reaction. AMD did extraordinary, good reaction so far. Whereas last time, AMD still beat earnings by 200% and sold off. So earnings is always a gamble, guys, but still excited. I like what the market's doing. So we had this huge run up. I was looking for the pullback, but of course, we got the pullovers, which is okay. I'm okay with that as long as we stay consolidated. I'm okay with that as well. Still a little wary, still waiting to get in some things, but overall not too bad. Welcome back. Thanks, Double. Tesla is burning. Tesla did have a bad reaction. Had good earnings, but bad reaction. I think this is a dip buy for Tesla. It still held $700, so I'm still obviously watching $700. It's a very pivotal point. Has been a pivotal point for Tesla, so watching that. But overall, Tesla, I do think this is a dip buy. Yeah, AMD had really good earnings. Yeah, a lot of these tech companies. Google had really impressive earnings. Where is it at? I think I posted it. Let's see what we got going on here. There we go. Let's see. Here's a summary of it. Boeing reports tomorrow. Let's see. I'm waiting for an Apple dividend raise tomorrow when they report earnings. See, look. Now, this is curious. If Apple raises their dividends and reports earnings, that could be a positive catalyst. So that's something to plan as well. If they raise, yeah, Jesse, I got you. Jesse, you never answered my question. Are you 100 bagger? He loves OCGN. So here's the Microsoft stuff. Let me see. I'm trying to find the Google. Google said today YouTube advertising revenue was up $6 billion, up 49% year over year. Let's see. There's actual Google numbers. Let me see if I can find it. 20, yeah, so here's the revenue for Google, keeps growing. They did $55 billion in revenue. Let's see. Google right here. EPS of $26.29, beating expectations of $15.64. They beat it over $10. They missed. That doesn't make sense. Revenue of 55.31 billion, missing expectations of 51. Shouldn't that be beating? Am I missing something here, guys? Am I going crazy? This should say beating expectations, right? Instead of missing expectations. Right here. Revenue of 55.31 billion, missing expectations of, yeah, it should say beating. This should say beating. I think this might be a typo for this guy, unless I'm just going crazy. But I think this is wrong. I think this should say beating. But yeah, we'll take a look at OCGN. Yeah, so this one, let's see. Okay, yeah, so this one been pumping up a lot lately. Came back down, tested this zone again. So I was watching this zone over here. Came back, interesting. Tested this zone once again. Bounced out of it. So 987 is that pivotal point. We got out 1091, so we're out of that. The next area I'll be on the lookout for is, let me see, is $13. So I'm looking out for $13 as the next resistance. But overall, OCGN looks really good. Liking it. Earnings is coming up, so be wary of that. But overall, does look good. I haven't been looking at Bitcoin recently. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's coming back, so amazing. Ultimately want to see Bitcoin back over around 57,000. Want to see it back over that. Overall, though, not looking too bad at all. Not looking too bad. CRM broke out of that resistance at 232, looking good. I know Ethernet, you've been really following this one for a while now, and it's doing amazing, man. We consolidated, had the breakout. Now we're testing the breakout from the upside, which is what you want to see. Holding 232, so that's good. The next level I have it going to at least is 239. So from here to here, seems like a smooth selling. So I'll be on the lookout for that next number. 239.50 is your next level that you want to look at. But overall, CRM is looking really good. Now this one looks like it's been consolidating for quite some time. So we have a very strong base here at 2365, and we have a really strong resistance right here at 2976. We're right at it. So we are kind of doing this thing where we are making a ascending triangle. I mean, yeah, you can call this ascending triangle. So we're making the higher lows, and we're also staying like kind of around this, underneath this resistance area. Like we get out of it, we come back in. But you notice each time we come back down, it's higher than the previous one. That's what makes the higher lows. That's what makes this ascending triangle pattern. It shows you that, yes, sellers are pushing price down, but buyers are coming up each time stronger. Push price down here, okay? Buyers came back up. Sellers push price down here, but this time they could only pull it down this far. So the story's changing here. We're making these higher low scenarios, so it's only a matter of time. Maybe next time we do see a sell-off, maybe it's down to here, right? $28, higher lows. So that's what I'll be looking out for this one. Overall, I like this pattern, and I do think this is going to play out really good. So be on the lookout for that. UWMC. Let's take a look at this one. UWMC. So, watching this, I've watched this before, really didn't like it, once it got underneath here, got back above it. Still, I'd be on the fence about this one, yes, it is starting to push back up, but it still needs a lot of work. Want to see us get back above 851 eventually. Other than that, though, once it gets back above 851, I will feel some confidence, so on the lookout for that. On the lookout for that for sure. Ethereum will move. Moon? Oh, sorry, I said moon. Yeah, we'll take a look at Ethereum. Palantir. See, Palantir is doing good old consolidation. It's trading range bound. So Palantir, once it gets above 25.54 and holds above it, I think that's where we see the real action. Until then, I think we just stay range bound. We're holding the support here at $21 really well, and then we're getting rejected right at this 25 area, 25.72, 25.60, around that area. So until we break out either to the upside or downside, it's just going to stay horizontal for quite some time. We looked at Nano in the beginning, I'm pretty sure, but someone said it had some good news on it. So this was the reaction, opened up, it came screaming down. Now this could have been buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, but I'll be on the lookout for this. Don't want it breaking 733 though. So that's where I'll be on the lookout for those. Hopefully that helped you, Ethernet. Glad to see you again, man. It's been quite some time. Where is it at? Ethereum, is this the one I'm looking at? Yes, it is. Yeah, so Ethereum's just been on an absolute tear. My God. They had another. Oh, okay. So they acquired someone else. Gotcha. So Ethereum just on an absolute tear. It is looking like it's mooning. But I'm so excited for tomorrow, guys. Really, I think the market Man, I think the market it might be gearing up for another move up. I really do. Just I kind of hated though that we didn't get the pullback I wanted, but maybe we just don't get too more carried away. Like I would really hate for us to just go for it again. I just want to see us consolidate just a little more. Like maybe consolidate a week or two past earnings and then really just take off. Because I still think we need to cool off from this initial move up. But we're doing a good job. This is a really good job of what we're doing. We're just consolidating, and it's been quite some time, or it's actually been really, I can't remember when the market consolidates like this. Look, when have you seen the market do this? Normally, we're picking a direction, we're going for it. We picked a direction. Instead of now doing this, we're doing this, right? And last time the market's done this, it's been quite some time. The volatility's been crazy. We've had a crazy uptrend. We've had crazy downtrends. So it's kind of nice to see this consolidation period. So I'm just waiting, watching. But individual tickers, I do think need to cool down, especially Microsoft. So I think earnings was definitely a good excuse for it to cool off. I mean, this has really been going vertical. But other than that, I think there are a couple more stocks that might need a little cooling off. So I'm waiting. I'm cautious, but I'm excited. I'm excited overall. So excited for what tomorrow actually has to bring for us. My computer is trying to freeze. I think my computer is trying to freeze. There we go. Alrighty. Alright. But yeah, so right here, once again, as I was talking about, excited for the market, just waiting for some things to cool off. Facebook, it could use some more cooling off, but I think it's been doing a pretty good job. But yeah, guys, that's what we're working with. Now, with regards to tomorrow, what's the game plan for tomorrow? If I'm in, some tech stocks, I'm once again watching this level right here. Watching this level. If we break below it, don't want us going below that, obviously. So watching some key levels. TradingView has been slow for you. Yeah, it seems like they are having some trouble. I mean, that is kind of expected because I guess big earnings season's coming in. Everyone's using it right now, so I'll give them some slack on that. But once again, guys, appreciate y'all stopping by. Thank you once again. I do apologize for being gone so long, but the stream should be returning now. Got my connection issues hopefully fixed for the time being. And yeah, guys, hopefully you do have a good night. I am going to post a video after this. That's why I am ending it a little short, but I am going to be posting a YouTube video on NIO. So hopefully you guys do enjoy that. Hopefully you have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.